So how much mulch is enough mulch and how much mulch is too much? The problem you have with mulch is that it becomes organic matter, and that you're going to have other insects, unintended insects around the house, because they have places to burrow and make nests. The more amount of organic matter you have around the property, the more pest problems you're going to have. Second, what's necessary for plant health? And will it cause other problems? Too much mulch around a plant can rot the trunk. Let me show you something. This is a podocarpus plant, and the trunks are in the ground. The most you should have to plant around before you get to dirt is no more than 3 to 4 inches. We currently have way over 6 inches of mulch. Why? Because the organic matter builds up and the mulch doesn't look right, and instead of the landscaper removing the old mulch, hauling it away and dispose of it, which costs more money, they'll simply elect to just throw it on top, because if they tell the homeowner that they need to spend money on removing the old mulch and hauling it away, they don't get the contract, and the homeowner will complain and tell them, or most of the time the homeowner will just tell them, just put it on there, it's okay. Not understanding that you're gonna get, there's the trunk of your tree, and now it's starting to rot and be damaged, the bark. So you need to make sure that when you're putting mulch, that it never covers up the trunk system, only up to the roots and only up to the dirt. You know, this is what will happen with other ones. This is like almost over 6 inches. So there you go.